The Bizzy Awards are the Pocono's premier business awards show.
What category are you up for tonight?
A great night. I'm excited. We have the staff here. It's a perfect night.
We're trying to win this year. Let's go. Best nonprofit.
I think we have a good chance. Best nonprofit this year.
Winner is
Labor and Love USA.
finally it is happened to me. The Swift Water.
Thank you.
What is your favorite part of the Bizzies?
The favorite part of my Bizzies is bringing my staff here and making sure that they have a good time.
And the best rock star employee is Elena Guco, Barley Creek Brewing Company.
What would your advice be to a business coming to the Bizzies for the first time?
So sign up. It's a networking on a red carpet.
Batman, is this your first Bizzy Award?
I've been watching over the Bizzies for years.
I don't know what that means, but I'm scared.
You should be.
This is obviously not your first Bizzy Awards, correct?
No, in fact, I love the Bizzy Awards because you get to see so many people you don't normally see throughout the year. Everybody's having a great time. And I think camaraderie with the business community is incredibly important. And this is, I think, the premier event in the Pocono Mountains that does that.
Currently, nominations are being accepted for the 2025 Bizzy Awards. The awards dinner is September 18th, but you have to enter your business by May 30th. Go to BizzyAwards.com or call the Poconos Chamber of Commerce for more details.